Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Remove the two 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right speaker to the top cover. Lift the right speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and set aside. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the card reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the card reader board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the card reader board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the card reader board to the top cover. Lift the card reader board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the card reader board onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the card reader board to the top cover. Insert the card reader board ribbon cable into the card reader board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Apply pressure along the length of the card reader board ribbon cable to adhere it to the top cover. Place the right speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right speaker to the top cover.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.